Hello. Today we are going to work with your creative block. Whatever is going on, we're going to try and relax you, ease you into the creative process again, okay? So all that is required for you to do in this moment is to find a comfortable position, sitting or laying down, where you can listen to this short video undisturbed without major distractions. So I'm going to shuffle the cards a little bit, and then we're going to go on a little quest to find the card that will help you with your situation. And if you enjoy this type of content, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I'm also encouraging you to book a private reading with me if you're interested in that. That helps me with my work and maintaining my channel immensely. Let's see which card is going to bring you some relief, some answers, some meaning into a situation that might seem kind of difficult to understand. Why is it that you are finding it difficult to create again, to get your creative juices flowing? What might be the reason for that? What is happening to you, and how can you connect with that part of you again that finds it so easy to be playful and creative? How do you connect with the creative part of you that cannot live without creating? Because that part of you might be turned off right now, but it's not going to be that way for long. Don't worry. We're going to find a solution here. So just sit back and relax. Focus on your breathing. I'm going to find the answer. Just give me a minute here. Let's sift through these cards. I try to feel the energy of each card that I'm touching. Which one is going to bring you the answers? It's going to be this one, possibly, but not really. Okay, let's keep looking. How about this one here? No, not really. So let's keep looking. Don't you worry. Just keep breathing. We're going to find it eventually. I think this might be it. Let me just check. Yes, this is the one. We found it. It's the devil. Quite a powerful card. In order to reignite your creativity, you need to be willing to go to some places that are uncomfortable within your own mind and consciousness. you seem to be forgetting that creativity is always a risky business. And the devil is here to remind you that the riskier the game, the bigger the potential gains. You cannot be creative playing it safe, trying to be traditional, trying to keep your head down, conform to a society that rewards mediocrity. You will find that in order to wake up from your slumber, from this inertia, without creativity, you will need to awaken a rebellious spirit within yourself. The devil in the tarot is not necessarily an evil card. It's not about passing moral judgment. The tarot is very neutral that way. However, what we need to understand with the devil is that it creates another type of quote-unquote slavery. So, you cannot choose to be free, completely free and independent. That's not on the table as a human being. Creativity is not freedom in its essence, because freedom is an abstract concept, very hard to grasp for our minds and our animal bodies. What it really is finding the right kinds of restrictions. Creativity means becoming slave to the right kind of master. Your choice is not between slavery and freedom. It is between being a slave to mindless scrolling, your addictions, your negative habits, your comfort zone. You can become a slave to your comfort zone. Or you can become a slave to your own creation, to the creative process, to the work. You can allow yourself to be obsessed with that, or be obsessed with consuming content that other people created for you. I'm sorry, but this is the reality of it. And really, what you will find at the end of this path is all forms of bondage, all forms of limitation are essentially an illusion. But that is hard to see from the human perspective. So for now, let's just find the right kind of restrictions for you. You are restricted no matter what you do. Restricted by society, the laws of physics. Restricted by your own mind, whatever it may be. But you can choose to be restricted by your art, by your own creativity. And that's a beautiful thing. And again, with the devil, it is important to mention here that this can become a risky thing. Not really risky in the sense that your physical safety would be in any sort of danger, but the ego can find it really hard to break through these walls because the ego wants consistency, wants safety, and wants to be respected at all times. And the devil is asking you to stop respecting yourself so much. Stop trying to protect yourself so much. Life is out there. And that's where your creativity shines. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this reading. If you did, give this video a like, subscribe, and consider booking a reading with me. Thank you. Bye-bye.